this is Andrew, just videotaping. This is me just videotaping my walk back to my house, Paso Robles, California. Just looking, seeing things, and doing stuff. And let's see, right here, this is a Chevron gas station, and down there is Walmart where I came from, and Big Five Sporting Goods. Right behind me is McDonald's. Okay, look left, and now I'm crossing, no coming. No, go the other direction, so it's clear to cross. As pedestrians, we gotta make sure we cross the right way. Cross when it's clear. Don't cross when the car is already in the road. Don't cross when the car is already in the crosswalk. Wait until the car finishes turning, then cross if still having the clear to cross. Yes, sometimes cars don't follow the rules,